Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the QiMH brand RGB floor lamp for your living room or bedroom. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and let you know whether or not it's worth buying. So as you get the box open, the first things you'll see are kind of a simple user manual, and then another kind of just info sheet communicating exactly how you have to plug it in, and the remote control requiring a couple AAA batteries. And then as you'll see, it's kind of boxed in, so we'll remove that. All right, and once that's removed, you'll see a number of different pieces. You'll have your charger, your main lamp base, and then of course underneath that some other stuff. So I'll get it all out of the box and we'll start setting it up. All right, so when you first plug it in, it will go on automatically, and you can just literally kind of hold this power button and it'll cycle through some brightness levels. But if you really want to, you can just press it on and off. But again, if you hold it, it'll kind of get brighter. I don't know if you can see that in the video or not. We do have some modes to adjust for colors. Let me turn off the lights here so you can really get a feel for it. These are all adjustable as we cycle through, so they can swivel to be basically wherever we want them to be, turning them around, so I can go just about any direction I want them to go in, up, down, whatever. Oh, hit the power button, sorry about that. So as you can see, the modes will also include flashing, which we'll get out of. So there's a lot of cool functionality that you can play around with. Now, of course, you have your remote. So if I want to, just go to bed, I can turn the power off, turn it on with the remote. There is a sleep monitor, or not a sleep monitor, a sleep button that you can adjust and work with, and that'll take you to like this mode to say like I'm tired. Again, if we kind of want to just play around with the lighting levels, we can go up and down. We can change the colors. It's really a very fun light, to tell you the truth. And of course, there's going to be some presets to change the different. Like if I only want to use one head, I can kind of mess around with that, which is great. And of course, a lot of different functionalities that you can mess around with. So do with it what you want to do. But to me, this thing is totally worth buying. I love the ability to kind of turn a light off if I want. So like turn the one that's facing me off right now. So it gives you a better view. But I like it. So let's put it back on. So totally worth buying. Hopefully this review helped. Thanks for watching.